Google has unveiled a remarkable new feature, allowing users to generate images straight from the search bar using textual prompts. This innovation is a part of Google's Search Generative Experience (SGE) initiative, designed to enhance creativity in searches. Powering SGE is Imagin, a proficient text-to-image diffusion model that specializes in conjuring realistic images by deeply comprehending text. This technology harmonizes seamlessly with Google's Lambda, an expansive language model adept in managing natural, conversational language. SGE comes with a versatile linguistic capability, supporting over 100 languages, offering users the liberty to employ any language of their choice. It also grants users the flexibility to tailor the aspect ratio of the images, choosing from square, portrait, or landscape, and a variety of stylistic selections like 3D, oil painting, or cartoon. For example, if you desire to create an image portraying a colossal bear, ingeniously crafted from corn, residing on a farm, you only need to input these specifics into the search bar. The image generated is a testament to the AI's adept grasp of the prompt, materializing a vivid and realistic corn-composed bear, perfectly situated in a quintessential farm environment. If you wish to modify the generated image, such as changing the bear's color to blue or transitioning the farm setting to winter, it can be effortlessly accomplished. You simply need to update or modify the details in your search query. For example, by inputting a giant blue bear on a farm in winter, the bear is made out of corn. A rejuvenated image will be produced, featuring a blue bear on a snow-adorned farm while retaining the unique corn texture. SGE endows users with considerable autonomy and adaptability in the realm of image generation, empowering them to wield their choice of words to guide the AI in crafting images that mirror their descriptions meticulously. How does SGE fare against other AI-driven image-creating tools? Numerous other platforms, such as Microsoft's Bing Image Creator, Midjourney, Crayon, and Night Cafe, leverage distinct AI techniques to transmute text into imagery. Each tool exhibits its own set of advantages and drawbacks. For instance, Bing Image Creator champions user-friendliness, allowing for straightforward image modifications post-creation. Midjourney is acclaimed for delivering images of exceptional quality and offers multilingual support. Crayon stands out for its simplicity and speed, along with the provision to download images free of charge. Night Cafe enhances the user experience by enabling the infusion of a delightful touch of animation and music to images. SGE possesses certain advantages over its counterparts. One primary advantage is its integration into Google Search, eliminating the need for a separate app or website. Users can conveniently type queries directly into their usual browser. Furthermore, SGE employs Imagin, an advanced text-to-image diffusion model, enabling the creation of vivid and lifelike images with a nuanced understanding of language. Imagin benefits from extensive learning from a plethora of text and images available online, including those from Google search results, ensuring it is well equipped with a wealth of information. Additionally, Imagin facilitates the processing of multimodal queries, allowing a combination of text, images, and emojis in user requests, thereby enabling the generation of detailed and realistic images corresponding to user descriptions. Another noteworthy feature of SGE is its compatibility with BARD, Google's AI chatbot. This allows users to generate images interactively while engaging in conversations with BARD. Users can also seek BARD's assistance in composing written content within SGE, such as soliciting an article on a particular subject, with SGE complementing by supplying pertinent images. This collaboration between BARD and SGE emerges as a valuable asset for content creators, writers, and students, offering substantial support and inspiration. Before diving into using SGE, there are essential points to be aware of. Initially, understand that SGE is currently in an experimental stage, indicating the possibility of encountering bugs or errors. The AI, being in a continuous improvement phase through consistent feedback and data incorporation, may not consistently comprehend your requests or generate the exact images as per your vision. Moreover, SGE is fortified with safeguards against misuse. It refrains from producing images that may be deemed harmful, offensive, or deceptive. It also avoids creating authentic representations of individuals' faces or public figures without due authorization, adhering to privacy considerations and mitigating the proliferation of false information. SGE also champions transparency and accountability by incorporating labeling and watermarking features. These features enable users to trace the origins of the images by either hovering over or clicking on them, displaying the text prompts utilized in the image creation process. Furthermore, access to SGE is restricted to users aged 18 and above. This limitation is put in place due to the potential generation of content that might not be appropriate for younger audiences or that may necessitate parental guidance. Being informed of these aspects will be beneficial as you navigate through SGE. I trust this video offers the clarity and understanding you require. If it resonates with you, kindly show your appreciation by liking it and subscribing for more enriching content.